Hello, and today I'm just going to be showing you some Halo online multiplayer. I'll just turn it down a bit for you. And all the way. There we go. We're going to go on to Blood Gulch, I think. Yes. Here we go. It's Slayer. One for all and all for one. Rocket launchers only. So, yeah, here we go. Where did that go? That is very strange. Where did it go? Okay. Let's go. Who's that up there? Oh no, this is a mod. I think. Maybe it isn't. Okay, let's collect some ammo. Whoa. Okay, here we go. It's Team Slayer. Oh my god. The guy's got a Banshee. And I think... Let's fire a few rocket launchers down there at him. Okay, I'm in a bit of trouble here. Because the Banshee is... Oh! Here we go! There's some more people on this. Okay, here we go. No, don't see me, Banshee, please. There, good boy. Okay, oh my god. Who's this guy? Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh my lord. Oh yes, unlimited plasma grenades. Ah yes, very nice. Here we go. Chum. Fit this into you. Oh damn. Damn. Try and do this again. Come on. Oh my god, who did that? Shit, there's a guy back there. Whoa, there he is. See you later, chum. Yes, gotcha. See you later. I've got this one, son. The guy who's on the side of the warthog. Very nice. Look at this. He's on the side of the warthog. Oh my god. Who is this guy? He is insane. And there are no lives, by the way. So, just letting you know. Now I need to run away from this Banshee dude. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Who's this guy kidding? Stuff him. Oh. Damn it. Fire. I should get this into you. Hope you like it. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on, get me. Oh my god. I'm going to be pwned. Quite literally. Ready for him? Coming round. Damn, just missed him. He's gonna come around for seconds. Yes, gotcha. Mid-air shot in the air. Legend. Well, I think that's all for today. I guess I just showed you how to fire at a Banshee still in the air. Whoa, who's this? Oh. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you later. That's it.